Hello, welcome to a Blender tutorial. Now, here at My Time Animations, we animate using free 3D software, Blender. Sure, there are other softwares for you to use, but we're using Blender. Now, one thing that majority of shows do is that they teleport the camera. However, in majority of animations, you might not be able to. Like, say, I'm gonna bring up the timeline for an example. You want to get another view of this cube. Say it's a character of yours. It doesn't matter what. I select it, and then I start recording. So first, I would recommend making a fake keyframe. You see, a fake keyframe is where, like, if you animate something like this and the button's recording, it won't record that. And even if you move it up a bit, that still won't be recorded. Why? Is because, well, you need to make a fake keyframe. First, you need to make a fake keyframe. Then you move like over here, and then make an actual keyframe. This is the camera view. But we don't want that. We want it to teleport, like jump cut, jump cutting. In live action, it's easy, but in this form of animation, I can see how it could be hard. So, what I'd recommend, first, I'd recommend you be in Object tab. This is the Object tab. And you go to your timeline, which is this thing, and push I on your keyboard or tablet or tablet keyboard, whichever one works. So you push I, or if you don't have a keyboard or tablet, you push all three of these, which create this. But normally I just push I, and you have all these options here. I'd recommend you push all channels. Then, this is important, move one frame above this one. And if you don't forget which frame the all channels one was on, you look at the timeline. And you see this thing will all light up if it tells you where it is. So right now it's at 40. So, just make sure it's at the second frame from that all channel frame or all movement frame. Now, do your movement, say like this, and then I play back the animation, go into the camera, and the camera teleports. Now, there might be other ways to do it, but this is how you can do it. I know majority of Blender tutorials are more informative about stuff like this, but this is how we at My Team Animations do it. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial on how to teleport your camera. I hope you can use these skills to your advantage in animating future projects of your own, which could be just sharing them to family and friends with your skills of animation, or just posting them online for people to enjoy. Whichever one, I hope this will be helpful for your animation projects. Anyways, that's Carson Virtual Lessons of the Mighty Team Animation Studio, signing out, and we hope to see you in a future short film to come out in 2D. That's all for now. Bye. Nye.